Research Rocks. In this video we will see if you want edit the PDF absolutely free. So one of the platform are introducing this services absolutely free for Windows and Mac users as well, and that platform name is a jopdf.com. I already added this link in video description. As a demo point of view, I will show you how to use and what is exactly new in this platform. Let's check it out on my Mac screen. Just simply open here Google and type here jopdf. It's very easy to name. Like look at this here, jopdf, free and fast PDF editor for Windows, Linux and Mac as well. So I just simply click here. Take up full control of your PDF. Geo help to tackle all your PDF tasks with easy edit, create, annotation, organize and protect your file without hassle. All for free, no sign up required. It's easy. I just simply say try now. Software size is very small. Just simply drag and drop here. Software are consuming space around 120 MB. So the platform look like this. Boost your productivity, edit, annotation, organize, protect, read and print. So some of the basic information is available. The software support for three different operating system, Windows, Mac and Linux as well. Now we just simply click here App Store and type here jopdf. So PDF is open here. Yes. So look at this here, the edit PDF, create PDF, print PDF, organize PDF, or what you want exactly. So I just simply say edit PDF. As a demo point of view, say edit PDF. Demo point of view, I select my resume. Don't show again. Yes. So look at this here. The framework is very impressive compared to other platform. So here the thumbnail size, all the pages are showing here. So view, annotation and edit PDF. If you want edit, add text, edit all those things, edit all. So I just simply say here, if I want edit this one, just only data scientist. If I increase this one because of spelling is here, if I just say here first name and last name, and if I want to edit here dr as well. So yeah, it's much impressive. If you want to add here one of the paragraph, so automatically the paragraph is displaying here, this paragraph coming on this particular block. So accordingly you should edit this one, add some of the text or add some of the image as well. You should add the image as well. You can increase the size as well of this particular block like this and like this as well. So accordingly you should decide. You should add some of the link as well. So I just simply select here, add the link. So afterwards automatically the color is a change if you want added the link. So here some basic, add the text as well. So if you want to add the text here, this is the demo file. So you can add here some of the basic information. So if you are researcher or you are research guide, so as a demo point of view you can apply this one for your research students. And apart from that, here the view section is this, annotation. If you want change something in the specific color, so I just simply use this one and select the specific word and change the color. So here the basic color is also showing, the small size of color. If you want black, if you want cancel this particular paragraph, so you can select this one like this, and okay, this line is not required. You can suggest your research students here typewriter. So you just simply select here some basic information, pages, how many pages you want, protect the page, so encrypted showing here. If you want encrypted, this one. So this is the one of the best platform, and afterwards save this one. So this is the use of jopdf. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.